Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by logging into your Microsoft account and opening Microsoft Rewards. This ties points to your profile so you get credit. Once signed in, make sure your region and age settings match rewards availability, otherwise you cannot redeem. Begin earning points immediately. Use Bing searches, Edge browsing, and complete quizzes or daily sets to build momentum. Do this daily because consistent activity compounds your balance faster. The first actionable step is to track your points total and set a target for the Xbox gift card value you want. You now focus on maximizing point gain. Use both desktop and mobile to stack searches and browser activities because they each count. Once done, prioritize daily sets and quizzes. These are reliable, repeatable sources of points, and look for limited-time Xbox or partner offers that yield higher points. Make sure to link your Xbox Live account in rewards if prompted, since some redemptions require it. Track progress on the rewards dashboard. Monitor the countdown on offers so you don't miss limited redemptions or bonus opportunities. When you have enough points, choose the Xbox gift card option and confirm the cost in points. Then complete the redemption flow and select whether to receive a code by email or add it directly to your Microsoft account. Once redeemed, apply the code on your Xbox under Redeem Code. This credits your account immediately or sometimes within minutes. If you run into issues, first verify the gift card region matches your account and that your Xbox is linked to the same Microsoft account. If problems continue, wait up to 24 hours and contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.